Okay, well, let's do a pre-market video here and go over Nasdaq for today. It is Friday the 13th, September 13th. Let's go over this chart. Right here is a 30-minute chart. What I'm going to do is zoom this out. So this is Friday. This here is Thursday, and this is Thursday's range. Okay, this here is Wednesday, and this is Wednesday's opening range, is the 1 hour. And then we have Tuesday, and then we have Monday. So you can see the whole week we've been creeping up. Higher highs, higher highs, higher high, and now we're in consolidation as always as it starts off. And that's usually the pattern for NQ. So yesterday we made a new low, and then we went up and made higher highs, and this is the 30-minute candle, so you can see those moves there are pretty nice. As you can see the day before on Wednesday, that was really aggressive up move. We went from below 18.6 all the way up to past 19,000. So right now we are sitting at 19,450s in that range. As you can see here, we are Friday consolidation yesterday, and then we broke out. So consolidation, then we took out the low on Wednesday, and then we took out the high and broke out. So you can see on the 1 hour range how you could trade this. If it goes below the 1 hour range, and if it's at support, you would take the buy trades, unless you gotta wait for confirmation. These are 30-minute candles. The confirmation, if you have the Sakatna, if you have, let's see here, you just wait until the levels get hit. So you just wait until you get like a until you get breaking out and you get a higher low going up. So you just wait on that. So you trade off of this chart because the red sellers are in control of the buyers. And when you have a bias, if you think the market's going up, you take the lower lows and the higher lows. If you think the market is going lower, you take the lower highs and the higher highs from the extreme levels. So this will give you your levels. This is the top, this is the low of the session. Okay, so these levels will get hit, but we are looking at this for reference points. So we can see right here, here's a level, it's right at the pivot point, and that is the 1 hour range. Okay, you can see right here, it's already hit R1. And usually when it hits R1, it will go and take R2, maybe R3, but we've already made new highs. So more than likely, I mean, this is Nasdaq, so I've seen moves where it makes a new high of the week, and then it will just tank, and sometimes it will tank and take out the lows of the week, but that is really an aggressive move. We can see 18.5 to about 19.488, almost 19.5. So that, if we get a move like that, I mean, that's great trading. You just go with the momentum. So I'm going to mark up the 1 hour range as soon as we hit it, but this is a good level right here, plus it's at a pivot point. So this is a good level to trade to or to trade from. Then you got your support 1, support 2, which is right here in that 1 hour range from yesterday. Okay, so those are good levels. You got R2 up here, R3. So we are scalpers, so we're looking for the high probability trades are when you get to those levels. So just wait for, I'm not going to take a trade. I'm probably going to wait until about 10 or 10:30 Eastern time. That would be about an hour after the market has opened to see where these levels are. But as always, you may have your bias on here, but always we trade what we see. We don't trade what we think, we trade what we see. So if my bias, if it goes down to a key level and my bias is going up, I'm going to take the lower lows, the higher lows, trading up. But with this system, you could scalp the price action bars. You get in right away with the triangle, the price action dot, price action bar. That's a high probability trade. If you're looking for 20 ticks below, that should get you in and out of trades, because these price action bars are 80 ticks. The green ones are 20 tick. There's a 3 tick difference on those, and you just take the signals. Okay, so that is just another tool under your belt is the 1 hour range, and I really like those 1 hour range because yesterday we went up to R1 and I caught that move coming down to. Caught that move coming back down to the open range, and of course it took off. So you can see here, this is the opening range. This 30 minute, that is the range for the first hour of New York, and it never really took off on that range. It came back down. So, and that is a bias because it already broke out. You're looking for a breakout. Okay, and then you're also looking for if it's going to retest. I know I scalped somewhat here because we were at resistance 2, and it almost came back to the range. So, but when you have these biases and you know where it's going, then you just use this to get your scalps in. Quick scalps. Okay? Other than that, that is the pre-market. It is Friday, so be careful trading and be safe. Get what you need and get out. Have a good one.